Hello and good afternoon, everyone. This is Nate from NMKLTrader, and I just want to take the next few minutes and share with you a little bit more about the market trend system. Now, the market trend system, in our previous videos, we've been talking about how it is so powerful trading futures on a 1 minute chart. Okay. Um, and it still is, trust me. The reason we're unpackaging or unveiling the rest of this is so that now we've tested it on the markets that you've seen the NQ, the ES, gold futures, and oil, and many more like silver. Okay, it is tremendous, and it will help you pass prop firm accounts. Now, a lot of us, like myself, sometimes we swing trade, and there are other people out there that says, "Well, Nate, I trade stocks. What about me?" Or if they trade Forex and they swing trade, or if they trade different time frames, how does this pertain to them? And I want to kind of unpack that just real quick here for a few minutes today and show you the power of the market trend system. Now, with the futures and the smaller charts, we like the micro trend and the macro trend to agree. But something that a lot of us don't pay attention to is when we get into the larger time frames, the 5 minute, the 15, the 30, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, even the daily, and sometimes weekly and monthly. This thing can be a powerful tool. I use it using the daily chart myself to track my 401k or TSP because I work for the federal government. However, I want you to take a few minutes and listen to what I have to say. Okay, now we like to see the micro trend, that micro trend alert, and the macro trend when we're trading 1 minute, 2 minute, and 3 minute charts. But when we trade 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30, 1 hour, I want to kind of scale back and say it's even easier than making sure the micro and the macro agree. Because now all you have to do is make sure that the macro trend or the market trend system histogram agrees. Just one of the two, not the micro. Don't worry about it for this larger time frame. We're going to use the macro trend. Okay, so what I've got here in the background behind me, using the market trend system with just the histogram, is I have a chart. It's Heikinashi's. I've removed the wicks just so you guys can see it better. But now you can see how this thing can become even more powerful if you're a swing trader. And with Forex, the Euro USD is the example I'm using. I went back over a couple day span and I just shared some swing trades with you in how I use this chart. Okay. This is a 15-minute chart. It's on TradingView. And you can see that I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 signals between the 11th and the 18th of August this year, okay? And if you track these, I think one of these was 190 pips, okay? A couple of them were 60. Really doesn't matter. The thing is, you're putting money in your pocket. And I'll teach you, if you join the NMKLTrader Community, we will teach you how to trade this style. But you can look at this chart and see how this trend works. And with the system, I've added alerts, okay? I have a candle bar painter that I've created to go along with the histogram at the bottom. So when the histogram flips, it'll paint the arrow. It'll send an alert to your phone, to your iPad, to your computer, and you can swing trade. It's awesome. Now, I shared with you just Forex. Let's take a look at something else. Some of you might say, well, Nate, I'm not a Forex trader. I'm a futures trader. Can you use this for swing trading with futures? You sure can. Now, real quick, you can see over here, we have a trade right here. And this trade actually you can see that it goes up 1/4 of a deviation level. And that is a significant trade. Okay. Also here you can see a sell. That's probably a $400 or $500 trade right there. Okay, you take it down back to the open, and then you can see there's a little bit of a loss on this one probably, but who cares because your larger wins outweigh your small losses. Okay. Now, you will take a few more small losses with this methodology, but at the end of the day, it really doesn't matter. Okay. Now, you can see here's another sell on red, and you can see how this thing just goes down behind my video here, and it's very powerful. Okay. So, futures. We've talked about Forex. What else? Well, here it is. Stocks. You can trade stocks using the market trend system. Here, we're using a 1 hour chart. I just wanted to illustrate. And you get in right here, and you can see that, if you pick this, took profit somewhere in here, you're going to make money. Okay. Here's a little bit of a sell off, but then we get a huge, huge buyback over here. Okay. And it takes off and goes up. I'm just telling you, this thing can really change your trading future. Again, these signals will go to your cell phone. They will go to your iPad. They will go to whatever mobile device you're using, provided you set it up correctly in TradingView. This is how powerful the market trend system is, and coupled with the NMKL community, where you come in and you learn how to trade this, you're set for success, people. And last but not least, hey Nate, the world's changing. I trade crypto. Okay, well guess what? This is how powerful it is when you trade crypto. Sell on red, buy on blue. That's as easy as it gets. I don't know what else to say, but this is exciting. This is powerful, and ultimately, we here at NMKL Trader are about traders helping traders, and we are growing our community. We're on the move. A lot of things going on. We use Heikin-Ashi charts over here. We use TradingView only. We don't get into NinjaTrader. Maybe someday, I don't know. But I will also show you how the market trend system can help you pass prop firm challenges. Okay, how you can build your own account. I use it honestly when I'm trading Forex. I only trade 8 pairs. I have an account over at Forex.com. I swing trade with it. Okay, I haven't posted any of those results yet over into the into the Discord group, but now that I'm opening this up to all types of markets, you will see my results there. You'll see my results in futures trading. I haven't moved to stocks and crypto myself, but there is a future for that. I want to make it accessible for all people of all types. All traders are different. And at the end of the day, it's about the best trading experience that you can have. All right. This is Nate over at NMKL Trader. I hope this video has been informational. And if you would like to get the market trend system, okay, look in the link below and you can find out how. This is Nate. I hope it's been a great experience. Like I said a minute ago, see you in the trade room. Take care, everybody.